When the first ultrasound is usually done, or when you're gonna have to do your first ultrasound. Most healthcare providers recommend the first pregnancy ultrasound between 6 and 9 weeks of pregnancy. This is the ideal window because the embryo is developed enough for doctors to confirm the pregnancy in the uterus, detect a heartbeat, estimate your due date, check for sign or multiple babies. Why you not should do your earlier ultrasound before 6 weeks? Before 6 weeks, the pregnancy is often too small to see clearly. That can cause unnecessary worry because the sac may be visible but not the embryo. The heartbeat may not be detectable yet. Doctor may schedule an early ultrasound around 4 or 5 weeks. If you have any situation that involves the baby or you're feeling sick, so pain or bleeding, a history of ectopic pregnancy, uncertain last menstrual period, if cycles are irregular versus scan at 8 weeks. If cycles are irregular or unsure of dates, often schedule around 6-7 weeks. If symptoms are concerning, earlier scan to rule out complications. What you're gonna see within 6-9 weeks is the regular time you're gonna be checking your baby sac, yolk sac, and fetal pole. And obviously, something that everybody wants to hear for the first time is the heartbeat. I hope you guys have a good one and see you guys in the next episode. BabyBlab 24/7. Thank you.